I got bitches with me wild. I met a bitch in Bali. I met a bitch in Dallas. Now she work at Magic. Make a bitch move to the city, nigga. I got ball status. Da Vinci on my sweater, bitch. I'm way above average. Rolex on me on TikTok. Savage rock around with the big block. I'm a real gangster, I don't shit talk. Slaughter gang, nigga love to kill. All my pieces flooded. All my drinks come muddy.
Alright, y'all. Got it loaded up. This thing look good, boy. Look real good. It ain't even squatting that much for real. What's up, bro? It ain't even squatting that much for real like I thought it would. U-Haul trailers actually be towing the best low key, but I pulled the U-Haul trailer with it earlier. I ain't really pulled nothing else. So we just gonna see how I do. I think it's gonna do just fine though. I know it got the power, it's just gonna eat up gas. Yeah, got it loaded up there with no problem. Thanks to my trusted co-pilot back here. But yeah, everything went smooth. We about to put this thing up, get on that road in the morning, and everything should be straight. So yeah, I'm gonna park this thing and I'm gonna give y'all another shot of it when I get to the gas station, but hell yeah. All right, y'all, so this what we looking like right now. Got that thing loaded up. I did just try to mess with it to see if I could raise it up, but it's damn near level, so I'm gonna leave it alone because that heavy shit wasn't moving for real. So, business decision. I made business decision. Left that shit alone before I started sweating and shit. But so far, so good. Yeah, squatting a little bit, but you know, that's how it is. Just want to see what y'all looking like now. It's nighttime, bro, so I ain't gonna be able to film too much till the sun come all the way up. I'm just see what the MPG talking about, tell y'all how it's feeling and shit like that, but I might add some air pressure, but other than that, that's it, bro. Finna ride, so yeah. I ain't really got too much to talk about, so I'm gonna get on this road because y'all know I be on nigga time. So. Trying to show y'all how to take off and stuff. It don't even, is she about to run that bitch or something? It really ain't struggling at all. You can feel it's heavy, but that's about it, bro. These folks out here be tripping early in the morning. These folks be on some shit. I done got cut off on the highway, y'all. Somebody done hopped out the car on the freeway. This motherfucker in this Jeep. Where he even going? Ain't shit open over. Yeah, Alabama folks different. Everything been going smooth. We had like an hour in the dark. We in the gump now. Everything been cool. We get there around lunchtime and shit. I probably start the camera back up at my next gas stop because it really ain't shit. Ain't no drama going on. It be around smooth. Hey y'all, where OG going? See that two picking it. Oh, he two player.
That boy cool as hell.
It's hell.
Early too. It's too early to be that cool.
Cool, hey, and know what to be for real, holding up the fast lane. I put that horn on OG, yeah. Move, nigga. Fuck out
That
the way.
man up cool as hell. It's too early.
Listen, he beating too.
That surely is him.
Look at the toothpick.
He too cool.
Alright, y'all, so we honestly, man, we been rolling. We only got 2 hours left, 100-something miles. This motherfucker towed excellent. It actually slid a little bit back off the wood, bro. But it actually made it ride better because it was a little bit of tongue weight on that motherfucker. But it's sliding back like this. It done been pretty good. Car been riding real good. A truck, I mean, it's been riding real good. No complaints. No nut shit going on. Everything been cool. Right now, we already in Florida too, bro. So we've been rolling. I promise you, we've been rolling. So, no complaint, but these folks looking at me crazy as hell because I got this camera out and shit.
Big up to 15.5 to 16 ounce.
Folks looking at me crazy here because I got the camera out. They ain't never seen a fucking vlog. But yeah, no complaints. Been riding good. Gas ain't even been that bad for real. I ain't even hungry, bro. I ate a couple snacks in this bitch, but it's great. So I was just updating y'all. It probably, I don't know how it's gonna do with the other car because it's heavier, but like I said, I ain't got no complaints right now. So yeah, after I get this filled up, use the bathroom, we're gonna hop right back on that road. So I got shit to do. So, yeah. This shit made me want to tow the TRX more often. This whole move. So, I'll let you in a little bit though. So it look like we got about 340, 350 miles to eat. That's with towing for like 4 hours. So, ain't too bad. I've been going like damn near 80 though. So if I go slow, I'm sure it'll be more, but I don't give a fuck. Yeah, been doing good. Almost done. So don't forget about this phone. I'll holler at y'all when I get there. Shit, we about 30 minutes away. Still got a bunch of gas left. It's great. It be staying in overdrive too. Like I'm in 8. I've been in 8 for a minute. That's what I'm getting. I'm getting 10.4 with the trailer behind me. That's like 350 to a tank. It's great. It really only go down to 7 up the hill or some shit. 6 if it's super steep, but it been staying at 7 to 8 the whole trip. And then this Florida shit flat. You see it from my look at that. That shit gonna be cool. So yeah, I do want to update y'all, show y'all how it's going. Been boring, ain't shit been going on. Almost there. So I'll holler at y'all when we get there. Man, we done finally made it back to Bama with that thing. Every car I done bought, bro, I was 20-some cars I done bought, it rained every time. I don't know why, but it's actually crazy. It rained every time. So it's a sign of good luck to me. That motherfucker look good. The truck did good. I think I'm gonna do a tune though. That tune will help it get right. What are they over there doing on TikTok, boy? That tune will help it get right. It ain't that it ain't right. It just I think the stock tune, they like to stay in 7th a lot, even if it feel like it's flat. And then you shift to 8th and it'll just stay there. So really just need like a toe tune or something. But other than that, TRX cool. Look at this bit though. Look at this motherfucker here. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all, you know what I'm saying? Everything cool. We done got back. We out straight. I am not fooling with this car tonight. I'll fuck with it tomorrow. But yeah, everything cool, bro. Good old TRX. Did what it was supposed to do. I'm about to take it to the crib, y'all. I'm tired as hell. I ain't been asleep at all. So, yeah, man, I just wanted to show y'all, and then tomorrow I'm gonna get up and unload it. So once I get the car in the garage, I'll let y'all boy tomorrow. But for now, I'm finna give me some rest, dog. So, yeah. All right, y'all. Made it back. Everything cool. It's the next afternoon. I've been asleep all day, bro. But, yeah. Car did all right. Truck did all right. Real good. The only thing I would change is probably raise the hitch a little bit. I would raise the hitch a little bit so it probably wouldn't be so much tongue weight or tongue pressure. And I just don't like how much weight U-Haul trailers put on the tongue, but they do so good, it don't really matter. But I could just tell the 500 a lot heavier than the ZL1, so it just could have used, what is that? Oh, that's a bug on my truck. It just could have used some backing up, that's all. It did real good, bro. I was told this 100%, and I'm not buying no bags. It's squat, but like that's only for people who really just concerned about the look, because the truck tow just fine. You can tell when trucks be heavier when they beefy enough to handle like trailer sway, and when the trailer be bouncing and all that good stuff. So yeah, man, it did real good. So I'm gonna just conclude here. I ain't even really got much else to say. Everything went as it was supposed to. So I'm gonna finish up the GT500 video. I'm gonna go ahead and get it in the garage and shit. You know, other than that, bruh, we thankful, we blessed, and we appreciate y'all tuning in for this one. And we'll be back with another one real soon. So y'all be smooth, boy. Oh yeah, for the MPG, I don't know if it's gonna show. I'll try. I probably got, it ain't showing, but I got roughly around 10 or so, 300 plus to a tank. You know, they be talking about this horrible. I was going fast too. I'm sure if you go slow, it's not that bad. But yeah, 300 plus to a tank, around 10, 11 MPG, depending on how fast you're going. I was going like 80. Yeah, y'all can see what I'm talking about here. The trailer was a little low in the middle. So that's all. But yeah, so I'll have to try the next one, y'all. Porsche look good right now.
Bad bitch with me freaking. Fuck that bitch this evening. Fuck that bitch, then leave her. 21 Savage don't need you. Dog nigga hoe mistreat her. 2 cell phones, sell dope, no beeper. Keep my mouth closed.